Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you clicked here, you likely suffer from some kind of anxiety or stress, like who doesn't, right? And this video, I'm actually going to show you some things that you can do to relieve that stress. And that's going to be in the form of self-massage. So if you're unfamiliar with it, don't worry. It's very simple to follow along to. And actually, this routine is near to my heart because when I was a little kid, intuitively, I would do these different kinds of massage techniques just naturally, and it helped me relieve stress and anxiety. All right, so that being said, if we haven't met yet, my name is Frances Eve. It's my pleasure to meet you. I've created Holy Stretch to help you learn how to feel free in your body. So go ahead and hit the like and subscribe, and let's get started. Hey there. Okay, so we're going to work on the self-massage routine. We're going to start with the hands. We're going to move our way to the wrists, forearms, shoulders, and traps, and then into the neck and the face. Okay, so with this video, you can go back and you can pause, you can take it slow, or you can do it really quick. When I was stressed out and I was waiting in line or I was driving, something like that, I would just really quickly do the massage routine and it immediately relieves so much stress. So take it and do it however which way feels most comfortable to you. All right, let's get started. So we're going to start with right in here. This muscle is a pressure point between the thumb and the index finger. You want to take your fingers and just gently press into this area here. So I'm pressing down. You don't want to go too hard because you don't want it to be very painful, but you also want to press enough that you feel stress relief. Right in here. Okay? And then you can also just hold it down. All right? So next we're going to move on to stretching the wrists. We're going to take the hand. We're going to press on the fingers and open up this way, and then we're going to open up this way as well. So like this and like this. All right, now let's switch hands. So the other hand, we want to press into that area, right into that pressure point right in there. Try and find a place that's stress relieving for you. This is also really good to relieve headaches, tension headaches, stress. If you feel like you're about to get sick, this is really good too. You want to just press into it. Okay, great. Shake it off. Stretching the wrist. Open and down. All right, and then we can shake the wrists. Now we're going to move on to the forearm. So you're going to take the hands like SC. You're going to press the fingertips into the forearm. So we're going to hold on like this. We're going to press the fingertips down right into the muscles here. Now you want to clench in here. So this is real tight. And then you're just going to move the forearm open, closed, open, closed, open, closed. Keeping the hands clenched down. All right, makes sense? Arms clenched, pressing down, and then moving the arm. So you're going to feel that you're moving over all the tendons and the muscles in the forearm here. All right, pressing down and just working it like that. And then we'll move on to the other side. Okay? Awesome. Now, I also like to move on to the inside of the forearm. So we could do this outside here, and then we can bring the thumb to the inside of the forearm and press in here. Just little squeezies, okay? And switching arms. Doing a few more of these. And then taking the thumb, little squeezies here. Or big squeezies, whatever feels good to you. You're going to start to play with this and explore your body what feels good. Okay, so let's go over those for the hands. What we just did, pressing the acupressure into this point here, squeezing, then stretching out the wrists, and then we move to the forearm, and then right inside the forearm, And then how I like to end the hands is to press on the fingers. So with the fingers, we actually carry so much stress at the very tips of our fingers. So we just want to take the hands and squeeze at the tip and pull away. Squeeze and pull away. And you can do a little twisty and pull. Twist, pull. Twist and pull, okay? And then shake it out. So other side. Taking the fingers, squeeze, pull. Squeezing the fingertips. Squeezing the fingers. Releasing energy, tension, stress. Shake it up. All right, thank you for joining me on this section of the hands. Let's move on to the shoulders and traps. Okay, so how we're gonna get into the shoulders and traps, we're gonna take the fingertips again. We're going to find the supraspinatus, so it's just the muscle up here in the shoulder blade. You're gonna take the fingers and press down into that muscle. You're actually gonna come all the way up into your neck. So pressing into the muscle and coming into the neck. Generally, I usually just do this once or twice. You can do it as many times as you want. Pressing the fingertips into the supraspinatus muscle up to the neck. Okay, now that we've done the hands, the forearms, the shoulders, traps, neck, I'm going to show you the last part of the self-massage routine for relieving stress. So we're just going to take the hands, you've all seen this one before. You're going to take two fingers, you're going to push them gently on the temples, gently. And we're going to make little clockwise rotations, or counterclockwise, whichever way. You want to make little circles. So I'm pressing into the temples, making little circles here. That's right. Now, I like to get just a little bit deeper and a little bit closer to my ears each time. So I'm pressing into here, and then I get a little bit further back. Okay, and then you can make the circles a little bit bigger. So we start here a little, and then we move our way back, bigger circles, okay? And then we want to find where the cheekbone is. We want to press right underneath the cheekbone and make little circles in there as well. So this is right by where the jaw begins, right in here. Then go down towards the jaw, make bigger circles. Bigger circles. I even make circles so big that I get into the cheekbone from the jaw. All right? And then you can take the thumbs and gently press them underneath the chin. And I like to knead like a little kitty. Okay, so you're kind of kneading like a kitty cat. Just up, 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 like that. All right. So that was the face and head portion. Congratulations, you've completed this video, and I hope this work helps you. So I'm going to show you real quick how I would do it normally. If I was undergoing stress, this is how I would do the self-massage. First getting into the thumb, then stretching out the wrists, getting into the forearm, inner arm, shaking the wrist out, getting into the fingers, pressing on the fingertips, pulling away. And then I would get into the traps and shoulders, pressing the fingers down, moving all the way into the neck. Other side as well. Into the neck. And then the face. Bigger circles under the cheekbones. Into the jaw. Thumbs underneath chin. And ta-da! So that probably took a few seconds. So this is something that you can do anytime you're waiting in line, you're driving, you're about to jump on stage, or whatever it is, you're about to go on a date or talk to somebody and you're a little nervous. This is such an amazing way to just release jitters, release tension, release stress. All right, so wonderful. Go ahead and leave a comment below if there's something you want to work on specifically. I'd love to support you in making that happen. All right, have a beautiful day. Take care, everyone. Bye.